Hello, my name is Todd, and this is our final rule of replacement that we're going to cover before we start working some problems. And this is another rule that's really not necessary for our system, but for the sake of completeness, we'll introduce it in case you end up working with some other system. Okay. So what tautology allows us to do is if we have, say, something like B, we can write an equivalent expression, B and B, okay? And of course, we can go the other way, back to B, which we can do either by the rule tautology, or notice we could use simplification to go from B and B back to B. Okay, or if we had B, we could convert that to B or B. And of course, if we have B or B, well, we must have B so we can go back the other way. So why on earth would any system have such a rule? Well, some systems don't have the rule that we have called constructive dilemma. All they have, like, let me say that again, they don't have simple dilemma. All they have is constructive dilemma. So whereas we might end up with a dilemma that gets use simple dilemma, which gets us to B, they are going to have to use constructive dilemma, and they'll get to some disjunction, B or B, and then they need a rule that allows them to go from the disjunction to